Well, you can't live with trouble. Oh, fuck. Over there, buried.
Yeah, everything's buried.
Be careful.
I'm just gonna fall and bust my butt. To show the front. Here we go. Oh my God! Here's the front. This is a record-breaking snowstorm. It's past my knees. Holy crap! It snowed yesterday. Then it snowed again today. And I think the plow came. Holy, this is nice. And it's still snowing. And I'm stuck. Oh, this snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah. And tomorrow's St. Patty's Day. And Friday, spring. Where? Help! I'm stuck. And it's still snowing. Wow. This is amazing. And then we're supposed to be in the 40s and 50s after tomorrow. Uh-oh. Well, this is all the snow we had today. Look at our backyard. Oh, we don't have one. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy it while it lasts. And my feet are cold.